guys know this freaking street. Let's go, boys. I'm the only M5 in this crew. There's even a V12, the older gen. I forgot the name of it, honestly. Murcielago, I believe so. But yeah, dude, it's early. I'm on like 4 hours of sleep. The video you guys are gonna see before this, I was literally at a car meet before at Malibu, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. We sending it this weekend. We sending it. Let's go, boys. Holy. I'm the only M5 guy, but freaking dude. Freaking humble beginnings, man. Humble ass beginnings. So this is where the vent is actually at. There's literally no room, so we're dipping somewhere else, I guess. Oh snap. Bro, there's so many cars already here. That's wild. Beautiful freaking cars, dude. One day. Gotta keep grinding, boys. Gotta keep grinding. The parking lot doesn't stop going, and it's full. Yo, the new Lambos. The new Lambos right there. That's so, my freaking goodness, bro. That is so sick. Dude, this thing just went through a freaking beating. No. Dude, so many freaking cars. Broke now. That's crazy. Dude, these wide body ears go crazy. Bro, what the The amount of classics here is crazy. And there's my freaking M5. Sheesh, bro. CR1. Let's go. We riding the Mclaren today. Bro, let's go. Oh my. So clean. Boys, we're in the McLaren. Boys, we in the McLaren. Woo. There's my M5. There's another. Oh! Boys, we in the freaking McLaren. Dude, I am so. These are the type of friends. I love having this type of friends. Yo! love the burbles on that. Holy crap, boys, this is, McLarens are fucking lit. Alright boys, we are driving home now. Bro, this car is sick. Like he's also about to get downpipe and tuned, so just imagine how it's gonna sound like once he gets all that. I cannot wait, dude. I cannot wait, boys. Little pops. I'm so hyped. Let's go, boys. You guys know this freaking tunnel. We're gonna send it through this tunnel, bro. Yeah, bro, there was literally a highway, but he didn't even look at me at all. Dude, the cops here, like, they act like they already have, like, boosted cars back at home, and they just, like, don't even care. Because, like, they don't give an F about my cars or any car, dude. Well, this is a pretty nice McLaren. Like, I don't know, I would look at it even if I had my own, bro. I'd still look at one. Dude. Oh, dude, it sounds so good from the inside. That's what's crazy about this one. This one sounds good from the freaking inside. Holy boys. Boys, you guys know this freaking street. I'm on 1% right now, so I have to record on my freaking phone. My other phone, my work phone. It's kind of dookie. But this freaking car, bro, oh my freaking goodness, boys. It's actually insane. Alright, boys, we're heading off the POV. I'm getting back to this car right now. Dude, this is one of the best cars. Like, obviously Hellcats and M5s are completely different feelings, but this is like, I mean, dude, this is a freaking supercar, and it's faster than my M5. And it's low to the ground too, you know. I'm not used to cars being this low to the ground, so it grips so well, bro. It's actually insane. And dude, you can paddle shift with one paddle, like one shifter. I'm downshifting right now with this. So good to be back in the M5, boys. No doubt was a McLaren awesome, but dude, I am not at the level to have one yet, man. Man, I love this thing, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. We went all the way to Huntington, bro. I put like 500 miles on my car just this weekend. I'm freaking alone, dude. It was freaking crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a like if you guys freaking enjoyed. Little McLaren POV vibes. Woo. That sounds crazy. I cannot wait to get a full exhaust, boys. I cannot stop thinking about it. I had to drop a fat bag for this, no doubt about that, but hey, whatever, dude. You only live once. Woo. The way it switches gears is freaking amazing. Unreal, dude. I freaking love this thing. I feel like having like a supercar that's like downpipe intake tune is like the best thing you could ever have, but also scary because you completely void like all warranty. So you gotta definitely have like FU money, bro, for sure. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.